समटाइम्स आई लाइक टू थिंक अबाउट हाउ बचपन में हम हमारे माँ बाप के सिग्नेचर्स कॉपी करते थे और उसको हमारे दोस्त फॉर्जरी कहते थे, एंड दैट वाज द मोस्ट थ्रिलिंग थिंग दैट वी हैड एवर डन इन आवर लाइव्स। एंड दैट्स प्रॉब्ली व्हाई आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि जो ऐसे शोज होते हैं स्कैम 2003 टाइप के, उनका अपील कहाँ से आता है। हाय, आई एम प्रतीक्षा मिश्रा एंड यू आर लिसनिंग टू माई रिव्यू ऑफ स्कैम 2003 द तेलगी स्टोरी। The show, as the name suggests, is based on the life of Abdul Karim Telgi, who carried out a huge stamp paper scam. तो इतने बड़े scam के पीछे कौन एक आदमी था, is what this show is trying to explore. We meet Telgi in a train जहाँ पे वो बहुत ही innovative तरीके से ऐसे फल वगैरह बेच रहे हैं, and we later find out that he wraps these fruits in copies of his degree. This just kind of introduces you to what an interesting character he's going to be, और आपको ये भी पता चल जाता है कि उनके पास एक जो पार है is of selling things. He meets someone in the train who gives him a job, and उसका फिर जॉब बन जाता है कि उनका बिजनेस है उसके पास क्लाइंट्स बढ़ाना. Then he gets married to this person's daughter, has a child, and then leaves for the Gulf where he works for a few years, but he misses his family, तो वो वापस आ जाते हैं. यहाँ वापस आने के बाद he starts a side business of making counterfeit documents for people ताकि वो देश से बाहर जाके काम कर सके. इसी बीच he obviously gets arrested by the police for doing this, and he meets his friend and business partner Kaushal in jail, और दोनों साथ में प्लान बनाते हैं ये counterfeiting करने का स्टैम्प पेपर्स का. The show carries you from like Karnataka to Mumbai to Nagpur, और ये सब शो ऐसे 5 एपिसोड में अभी तक हमें दिखाया गया है. When this business starts, एक चीज तो करनी पड़ेगी, बेचेंगे कैसे, पर तेलगी को बेचना आता है. तो he starts greasing palms of corrupt politicians, corrupt cops, anyone who will listen to him, lawyers, anyone who is willing to take a chance on his business. पर इसी के तहत the show explores how people in power keep the common man out of these like power plays, even when this person is essentially their ally. क्योंकि बीच में तेलगी सेज कि वो शेर है और उसके आसपास के सब हाइनाज हैं, एंड इसी चक्कर में ही बिकम्स द स्केपगोट. वन प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द शो इज कि ये जो एक है बैक एंड फोर्थ की, अच्छा किसी को वो जाके आइडिया बताता है, उनको नहीं खरीदना है, तेलगी सेज नहीं खरीद लो, एंड यूजेस समथिंग जीनियस टू मार्केट, और वो बोलते हैं ओके. दैट इन द फर्स्ट फ्यू टाइम्स इज अ लिटिल फन टू वॉच, बट इवेंचुअली इट बिकम्स अ लिटिल मंडेन. द ओनली रिस्पाइट इज दिस वन काइंड ऑफ ऐसा काइंड ऑफ एफर्ट्स दैट गोज इनटू convincing this one person who is the manager at some printing press in Nagpur, and he's a very honest man. So who wins? Does his honesty win, or does Telgi's kind of street smarts win? That is a very interesting thing to watch in the show. The best part of this show is lead actor Gagan Devriyar, जिन्होंने इतनी बारीकी से इस कैरेक्टर को समझा है that he adds nuances and subtleties to the character of Telgi that make this character absolutely enticing to watch. ऐसी छोटी छोटी चीज़ अगर disappointment हो गया हो, और when he finds something new that glint in his eye, adds these layers to this character that even when the screenplay is kind of slow and draggy, आप इस character पे invest करना नहीं छोड़ सकते हैं. While this is Telgi's story, the side characters do play their parts very well. They all carry their weight. There's also Hemang Vyas, who plays the partner that Telgi meets in jail called Kaushal. Also a pretty good character to kind of be invested in starting mein. I was especially delighted to see Bhavna Balsavar on screen after so long. She has, in the roles that she's been given, done a pretty good job. So even here in this show, it's very refreshing to see her. The parts that she gets, she performs very well. They're supposed to be effective, and they are. This series, directed by Tushar Hiranandani, Hansal Mehta serves as a showrunner, is pretty gripping. The writing is very taut. The writing is very much enough to kind of keep you gripped even when it's kind of a little slow and a little draggy. The first few episodes can seem a little boring to people who are not like, I don't know, accustomed to watching long format episodes, but if you stay with it, by episode 3 it picks up pretty well. So writing credits, kudos to that. The camera work is pretty decent. The framings are pretty simple, but the way you're supposed to feel invested in the setting does happen because of how well the camera work has been done. The color grading also itself adds a little bit of a rustic charm to the show that was pretty necessary. It helps a lot. The dialogues are in most places pretty smart, sometimes seem a little cringe, but that's okay because all of it makes sense in the grand scheme of things. Especially a dialogue like "Zindagi mein thoda to daring karna banta hai na darling," or however that goes, is just fun to listen to. Whenever that comes in the show, मुझे पता है कि अब कुछ ना कुछ interesting तो होगा. And for that reason, you can let go of some of the dialogues that don't, match your sensibilities, I guess. The show all over is pretty decent. Does it match kind of the charm and the magnetism and entertainment of Scam 1992? Not really. Some of that is missing. वो show इतना entertaining था हर episode में, that doesn't happen here. But that was just 5 episodes. There's still a part 2 coming with more episodes, and if it's only going to get better from here, तो देखने को बहुत कुछ बचा होगा. That is why my rating for Scam 2003, the Telgi story, is 3.5 stars out of 5.